Okay, guys. So the context is like to have a glance of the Jagrati Yatra memories and the exposure what we had.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just go through randomly what we remember, the good stuff or whatever our memories. Some of the questions we can have discussions.
Mm-hmm.
So now we are here with our friend Alikit and also Pulkit and another girl Srija will be joining in between. So yeah, now okay, Pulkit, we'll start with you. Can you introduce yourself briefly?
Okay. Hi. My name is Pulkit Mantri, and I'm from Pali, Marwar, Rajasthan. And I've been part of Jagrati Yatra 2019 and 20, and that had been one of the most amazing experience of my life. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So you did your bachelor's in engineering or management?
I'm a BTech mechanical engineer from JCS University. That's in Jaipur. And
Same thing. I'm also from bachelor's in mechanical.
nice. Yeah, you're from IIT, right? IIT Madras.
My master's is in IIT Madras, but bachelor's is in local university in Andhra.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So Likith, I think he's from NIT. Likith, is it right? You are from NIT.
No, no, no. I'm not from NIT.
So
I'm
other
from
guy,
Shastra University of Tanjore district.
Shastra University. Okay.
Yeah,
So can you brief yourself also briefly, like your name, where your city, where you are located, and stuff?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Hello, guys. I am Likit Kumar, and I am from Prodhutur of Andhra Pradesh. Prodhutur is actually situated in the district Kadapa, and I am a BTech graduate. I recently got graduated this year, and I hold a BTech degree from Shastra University, Tanjore, in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And I am a part of Jagrati Yatra 1920, and I am proud to be a part of a part of such a wonderful family. And I got many of my friends in that circle, like Pulkit, Srija, Murgesh, Vidya, many others. List goes on, and that's it. That's my
So
introduction.
you are from this Pradipur Kadapa.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Prodhutur.
Pulkit, where you are basically located the city? If I ask you the city.
So I'm from Pali, Rajasthan. I mean, in Rajasthan, so there's this region called Marwar,
Okay.
and in that region, there's a district called Pali. I'm from there.
Okay. So yeah, I think before going further, Srija, I think she'll join after some time. So Pulkit, this is to you. So what is the one word that comes to your mind when you hear about Jagrati Yatra?
Oh, okay, that's a difficult one because y- you can't describe that whole experience in just one word. I would say um, astonishing. I think, yeah, it was,
Okay, I
it was
think the
great.
experience will be very big. If I ask your experience, it will go very wide because 15 days, all are different stories.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that I think I will discuss at the end. If we have time, we'll add some points.
Mhm.
So, Pulkit, you want to say, sorry, Likit, I'm just confusing with the names, sorry. Likit, so what is the one word to you?
Yeah, same thing. I can't describe everything in a single word, but the theme of Jagrati Yatra itself is very much pleasing in such context. Like enterprise builds India. That's it. That's it. I can say,
Yeah, okay. So
because
next
the
thing,
experiences that we had are all like they gave us good circle in each and every domain. Like many
yeah,
of my even batchmates are in BGT or something like that are into every sector of the society. Like they are, some are social workers, some are teachers, some are
yeah,
industrialists, some are MBA candidates, students, everyone, included literally everyone, right from like as you are also part of Jagrati Yatra, you must be knowing like we are all connected to not only participants of Jagrati Yatra, but also the like the security force and the workers who used to serve us the food.
Mhm.
yeah, true, true.
Yeah, they are all very much like they got connected to our attitude as well.
Oh, that's
It's
15
the
days is very
environment that made us that way.
Yeah. So it's like some people say it's like this philosophers and all. No, the 7 days itself it's a very big time to accustom to new habit or new culture. But it's a 14 days. It's very high in that case, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely, definitely.
And the best
So
thing is the train if it is late at any time, that's the best thing. We get connected to lots of people from other compartments and all because it's a train journey and we're confined to certain particular block or bogie. We may
yeah.
not be able to reach all the people. Like it's very difficult for us to go to and talk to all the people and get connected to them. But like in January 1st that we enjoyed in, I think it's in Bihar, right?
Odisha,
I'm not sure of the place.
Odisha, Odisha.
Orissa.
Orissa. Okay, okay. There, and we got lots of time to connect to other each other. We got time to take selfies during that January 1st, the New Year.
Oh, yeah.
Those things are actually memories. They made us connected to lot of people, lots and lots of people. Not
I think it's
exactly every time, only such cases where we spend time. Like uh, we like to wish that this time should be there forever, like that.
that's true. That's true. This thing, the selfies and other camera stuff. I think Pulkit they have experienced a lot with the camera
Oh my God.
across all areas. Myself in the media team. So,
Yeah. So
so yeah.
go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
I'm
Manish.
asking like so in that perspective, how did you manage to get the selfies and your work done and your exposure? How was the experience in the mix of these three?
Yeah. So with with the with holding the camera all the time,
Yeah.
I was just carrying camera here and there, here and there. So that's how I got to meet a lot of people. I just used to put camera up, and a lot of people would come in the front and like, okay, click pictures and do all those things. So then I used to talk to them, and we got to network. So that's one. And after that, I think that also, improved my, I would say, workmanship as a cameraman. I would.
Shall we say that you have extended your capacity of working with that, like multiple things at a time, so your capability is increased?
Yes, definitely, definitely. So that's how I was enjoying it. So as a cameraman, I was definitely enjoying it, and then roaming around here and there, sitting in one bogie, and then next 5 minutes you're in another bogie discussing few things from photography to philosophy, and obviously entrepreneurship was always there. So everybody and everyone was talking about entrepreneurship, and it was the crazy ideas that they have. And crazy, I mean, what crazy in here, it means that the spark that they have, that they want to do something about
Yeah,
that idea. And that's what makes everyone crazy. I mean, all the entrepreneurs crazy, that people will think what they want to think. This is our idea and we want to do this. So
yeah. Basically, the plan of the Yatra itself, it is the members who are participated that they are across the fields. So, as a venture, if you want people know, so it requires all the experiences, and we are having all the experience, all the backgrounds people. I think that's where it connects. Where whatever the topic you talk, someone will be connected to the background.
yes, yes,
That's pretty good, and it's required actually.
do that.
So we'll further move on to our next topic. Like I think this you have said like the happiest things are many. I think so. If I ask you like name one or two your happiest moments in the yatra in the 14 days.
Okay. So there are like most of them are connected to dancing, I would say. So the first one that comes into my mind is obviously we we danced a lot on in Odisha before New Year. That's one. That was so crazy. I mean, it was dust everywhere, and still we all were dancing. And another one was uh, again that we started dance. We were waiting for the train, so there was a bit of a delay, and we started dancing right outside the train station. I don't remember. That was like third or fourth day.
Oh yeah, true, true. That
Yeah.
is I think in Bangalore or
I,
that's
I don't know. I don't remember that. Yeah, so we were doing bhangra, we were doing garba, we were doing everything that we could think of, and that too in
Yeah,
front of the train the station. Yeah,
yeah, I could recall that night, right? Late night, it become late the train, and we have to wait for some time, and everyone was dancing after dinner. That is
yeah,
in Sriharikota afterwards, a night. I couldn't recall which location. It's a midnight, I remember, 2 o'clock
yeah,
or
yeah.
I've seen that mixing of South and North cultures, and they don't know the even the dancing. They mixed up their
Correct.
own.
Yeah, I mean it was all music, so it was all music. Doesn't matter where the song was coming from.
That is. So yeah, this I think it may be good to know for the aspiring people if they want to apply. So is there any difficult moments in the yatra?
Uh, yeah,
14 days?
yes. So I had one moment that I would call difficult because so what happens in the yatra as a perspective, we can think as in it's a 15 days journey when you're traveling pan India. So you're going to down south where the temperature is moderate, and then
Yeah,
you're moving to up north where the temperatures are dropping below like 5 degrees or 6 degrees Celsius.
yeah,
So so when there's a sudden change in temperature, when you're moving from Odisha to Bihar, so there was a change in temperature, and suddenly when it was like 35 degrees or 40 degrees, and now it's 5 degrees. So what happened? So we were staying in the area, and what happened? It started raining, and it was obviously super cold. So I got sick, and that night when we had a business gantry competition, so that's bee planning competition. Yeah, BGT. So after that, I slept early that night. So like around 8 or 9 p.m. only after the
oh,
whole session was over. And I mean, that's the thing that I regret the most because when I woke up next morning, and when I got to know the stories, what happened in the night, what people were doing, and oh, I was like, shit, why did I miss it?
oh, yeah. Even I think our team we got like it's tired. It's a long day. In the area, there was a long day visiting village and coming back to the space and again VGT competition. That competition is fully involved. Like it's like a fight and a competition, real competition.
Yes,
And again, the night there is a dance after the VGT, but that because of rain, that got a little disturbed. But still, they are danced. I think even I came out. I was not there whole night, but some people told that it was very good. Even I regret like you that I wasted some of the time there.
mm,
And I think the morning I think that is the mid of the yatra, the Dioria experience.
yes,
So there we are like drain of our energies also partially.
yeah. So that was, I think, first, second, or third of January, I think.
True, true. It's the
Yeah.
beginning of the year, yeah.
And so I, so there was this graph that I think Mani sir told us that in the beginning you'll have a super high energy, and by the time you're in the area, you'll feel like okay that's getting low, and then
Yeah,
again it'll go constant in a constant direction. So
yeah,
that's what happened. That was happening. Yeah.
that's true. That's true. So yeah. So next question we could expect like, how do you feel about the lifeline sessions in the share car? Okay, wait a second. So before going for this answering, so let me explain to the audience. So the lifeline sessions is basically the topics it's actually the life biography of every person, but the way to express the members of the speakers have guided us to use their charts, and then you select years of the milestones in your life. Then you explain such a way that you open up your ups and downs to share to your fellow members, your groups. So that's what the lifeline sessions. It is in chair cars. It's like in the train itself, wherever we go. So basically, it's a long train journey that you can see in the description we'll be sharing. Okay, so let's hear about this. What our Pulkit is having this exposure about lifeline sessions. How do you feel, Pulkit? This thing,
Okay.
the chair car, yeah,
Yeah. So lifeline sessions are supposed to be icebreakers, or
yeah,
say, so you are divided. Okay, when you're in the yatra, you are divided into cohorts and groups according to your choice of preferences. That that you'll be selecting while filling the form, while filling the application form. So according to that, you are given cohorts and everything. So when in your cohort and in your group, there's a session like Lifeline here. So you are vulnerable there, as if you're explaining your whole life as a graph, as a line chart. That may, it's about your creativity. That how do you explain it? That what happened in your life? What are the events that made you feel ecstatic? What are the events that brought you down and how you overcame that? So all those things are covered in Lifeline. It's in the name. How has been your life and how you want to put it in front of others, and that makes you feel connected with all the people. So I put my life on a
Yeah.
chart and tell it to you, and you do the same. So now I know the whole story, whole background story of yours, maybe briefly, obviously, but I know it now, and you do the same. So we can connect more deeply. I think so. That's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think these lifeline sessions enabled us to know the see, everyone have some story in the yatra. It's like all the people are diverse, so everyone is having some story in their life, and that is when you know that story, it's like you are learning some different perspective or you are different learnings actually.
Yeah.
So I was surprised to hear whenever I ask some story, the lifeline sessions is starting in the train, but it goes on. Even you can speak in the train in a bus, in the small one. You can keep on discussing. That is the idea they give how to discuss about any person, about the person. That's a basic idea. But that was pretty good. Even some of the people they cried literally when they are able to
I
open
I
up.
I I cried. I cried.
Uh, yeah, I was having some of the similar situations. My
Mhm.
some of my group members they stopped talking in between for some time.
Mhm.
So it's like the yatra they will make us to open up completely from our hurdles, and then they will push us to learn the things which will be useful as an enterprise. Like you can own an enterprise and how to make it. That will even for everyone, even they are from different backgrounds. How to get the background, all the people in one each. So yeah,
There's one point I'd like to add here is
yeah,
that nobody judges you. That's
that's true.
one,
That's very
that's
good thing.
that's a very beautiful part that
Yeah.
everybody needs to know, that who will be hearing this, that nobody is going to judge you that what you have done in the past or where you're coming from. It's about where you're going. That matters. So yeah, that's a comfort zone that has been created there, so you can open up.
Yeah, I think Likith, you want to add some points on these two? We have discussed. I think you are listening. If you are Likith, are you there?
Yeah, Murgesh.
Any of your experiences about the area or these difficult situations or these what we call lifeline sessions? You want to add anything?
Yeah, like Pulkit said, I also got sick right from Delhi. Delhi used to be actually those days. It was the situation of Delhi was like it will be around -2, -1 degrees Celsius and something like that. But it's because of our luck. I think it was nearly 8 degrees that day when we went to Delhi
Hmm.
for the
Yeah.
session in the evening. And right from there, I got sick and I got. It started with my cough and cold. Then it took nearly 20 days from Delhi that I got cured, and
Oh,
it's been very difficult for me to enjoy the moments in Rajasthan, even in Gujarat. And the last day, as Pulkit said, one day in the middle of the yatra, he was sleeping when some other people are enjoying like that, right? The same situation that I faced during the last day when we were heading towards Mumbai back from Gujarat. I was unable to even stand and talk to some people. So I went to my bed and I went to my seat and I slept there. And immediately after, I woke up in the morning. My friend said like, it's not that good. Like it's not beyond expectations and all. We had enjoyment, but that's not what you missed and all like that. I don't know if it is really. Uh, if it's really true that I didn't miss anything, they must have told me that just because I missed it.
But
And one more thing is
yeah,
that I got sick, right? That's an advantage for me, for my circle, I think. In Mumbai, I think you are also in my train, right, Murgesh? And you people gave me lots of support, and I can, if I were alone if I were alone to travel from Mumbai to my native, it will be very difficult for me. And you people gave me lots of support. Even like in Mumbai, you people, like some of my friends went to visit some places, but I could not go with them. I went to some lodge and slept there till the train reaches the station. And even after entering the train, I slept entire night. And even in the morning till I reached the station of my native, I was sleeping. That's the difficult part.
yeah, that is a good observation. I would like to say like this is another part of learning. Like in the yatra, they are like people like see if you got sick or if you're happy moments, all the time the people are around. Everyone is like minded and they can understand you. So even I was not well during somewhere in that what is that Rajasthan and before that. So I was like completely moved up. I not even wanted to speak up, but they didn't left me alone. Like for some time it was a cough and the dust and all, but they didn't let me alone. These people who are joined in the trip. So likewise, Likita suffering and even some other people. I think Srija was also having some issue, health issue somewhere in between. So she didn't let alone. I think she was handled by our friends. Srija, are you there? Can you share it out?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Srija.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, you can share if you like. Yeah.
So we are discussing about the difficult part, right?
Yeah.
Um, Health and thing is also there. Like I was sick on the 13th day, I think, in Rajasthan. Just after we completed our trip, we came back to our trains. No, that time I got sick, and in whole day in Ahmedabad, I was like out of my mind. I was completely sick. Yet I took the pills, and I don't want to miss the locations and also. I came like that only. I didn't eat anything. Like I didn't even drink water. That was my situation. uh, it
But
was just
during the
one day.
after that, I think you recovered well, right? By the time you are leaving, I think
Yeah,
you're. Yeah.
it just it was for just one day,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then again it was good then. Mm,
So I think
lucky.
I think I have to share this information. This Trija, I
Mm,
spoke to her before coming. I think including her brother. She was saying like whether I can handle these 15 days or I she was like struggling. But the moment she joined in the yatra and after a few days, first to second day, she was like outgoing everywhere. I didn't find her having a difficulty or facing any issue. So that was like that's how it changes the moments from the day 1 to day 2 till day 14. So I think we have joined with our friend Vasuvi also. Let's go on with further. Uh, Srija, I think you are into this artistic, right? You are drawing some things. You help some drawings in Dioria.
we
So
did wall painting.
yeah,
That
how
was
did
also a
you
difficult
like
thing.
when you got appreciations from the founder himself when you did
Hmm.
that work? How did you feel it?
Uh, Definitely, it will be really helpful. Like we didn't sleep for the whole night. We
Yeah.
worked for like around 1 or something. And then again, we woke up at 4. We didn't even go into Bisgan tree. We were like painting and painting and painting. Our clothes were spoiled, but it was good. Like
Yeah.
appreciation is always like nice thing. For the hard work, it pays off. Yeah, and
Yeah. And
all the support from the yatris too. Everyone. I think everyone liked it. No, it was
yeah,
good.
I think that what we call they marked the names whoever supported like this, and also they marked all the participants in that what we call that what do you call that one? The frame, the Indian names, no?
So stone, yeah, there was
Stone, writing on the stone, that is a
yeah.
tiles actually. It's a tiles, not normal stone.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Milestone type.
yeah. That's
Hmm.
how it went. So further we can move on to this one. Yeah, how does it play? Yeah, lifeline sessions we are talking, right? So these lifeline sessions, how does it help in your life? So now you completed your yatra and you are out of your yatra and you are still connected. I don't think there is some gap. So how it is being helpful these lifeline sessions? Pulkit, you can comment something?
Yeah, sure. So
Yeah.
that was just I think the beginning days of those lifeline sessions. There was just it was just a spark, that you're trying to get to know the people, and after that it went on like this, that we are still connected, and those are like friends for life, I would say. It's like they know us, as in the circle that you have created. So they know us. They talk to us about how you feel. It's not what you're doing in your life. It's not just a simple fact check. Okay, yeah, you're doing this. I'm doing that. Okay, good. Chill. No, it's you
Yeah.
talk about your fears. You talk about your goals, what you want to do, and the support. Obviously, it's a very good network. So there's a support there,
Yeah.
and
That's
so this is how Lifeline helped us, as in to create a better connection with all the people that they were there. So and they are still maintained. They are still maintained. So we are talking like after so many days, but you know, I don't feel that there's been a lot of gap from the last time we talked. So yeah, that's the kind of connection that we make.
That's true. So it's almost how many months now? Some people are counting the days also. So that is like from the day we completed, now it is 100 days, days
Oh,
200 days. Oh my
wow.
God. That's
Yeah,
how they're missing, I think. This
yeah.
app.
So that's the crazy amount of energy that we had. Like everybody. Yeah. So like Shrija also said that she got sick for a day. I got sick for a day. Likit also. So the whole point is that you can't remain sick for a lot of time. So yeah, you get sick, then the energy
You
that
get well, sir.
yeah, you're like next day you're back up because you can't stay sick.
Yeah. So who will speak on this, Jade? What is Jade and how was your experience? Jade, this has happened in Bangalore, that St. Joseph College, right?
So okay, so Jade is I think Jagriti ambassador for district entrepreneurship,
No,
something
no,
like that.
no. This is Jagrati Enterprise. Sorry, this is district. Yeah, you're right. Sorry, sorry. Go on, go on. So
No,
Jade,
I'm
yeah, go on.
confused. I'm confused. I'm asking you actually.
You're correct. So Jade is about the post yatra engagement activities. So they will connect and they will allow you to work on to certain districts or certain regions. They will guide you to take this memory or the theme of yatra across that region. So that is Jade. I think that I think Srija is in Jade now, or are you in Jade as a Jade?
Hmm. I'm a Jade member now.
Yeah, some of the people I have seen they opted for it. I didn't, so I don't know any details. So anything you have done, maybe because of Corona it affected, but
Hmm.
still anything you have done.
It was actually that we go to campuses and we like explain about Jagriti Yatra to students,
Okay.
and they will join for the this year, like coming years. So due to this lockdown, we didn't go anywhere. But I thought you were doing this for Jade program only. Like these videos will be helpful for everyone to see, na? I
That's
thought,
true. This is like it's true. We are like upload. Yeah.
uh, then I'll share this video to everyone.
Yeah. So what about this Jagrati Enterprise Mela? I think this you can speak on well. I think everyone is roaming that time, right, in the Bangalore. So we'll start with Pulkit. I'll just add some points. I'll also add some observations.
Uh-huh. So Jagriti Enterprise Mela, I'll just explain a bit that
Yeah.
what that Mela is about. So it's a fair of a lot of startups that come together
Yeah.
and they showcase their products or the services that they're doing, and this is how they're building a network, and this is how we get to know them, that what they're doing. And some are some startups are really doing really well, as in the ideas are amazing, and there were some robotics startups were there. There were like some organic food startups and some. So there were a lot of startups were there.
Yeah,
So they had their stall. They were showing up their products and everything.
yeah,
So the learnings that I got from there was that the immense amount of work that they're putting in, because we got to talk to the founders like
true,
there and
true.
there. Yeah. So the amount of work that they were putting, and they were showcasing the timeline, how they started, and what were the difficulties that they faced, and everything.
Yeah,
And with that, you also could connect with what you wanted to do. Say, I was into health and sanitation and all those, so that's somewhere I was inclined towards. And then I got few startups that they were connecting to it, and then I could talk to them what are their ideas, what how they are doing it, and how could I implement my ideas, or we could connect in future. So those kind of things that you could do in Jagriti Enterprise Mela that I
yeah.
thought would be very helpful. Yeah.
So basically, they are giving about enterprise aptitude from the beginning and the end, and this is the place where we get to experience and see the people who already done it, and the place after this will be having the like a business plan. What is that we visiting? So that is again further enhancement of our knowledge and skill connected to these enterprises. And I see like these enterprises are not like regular companies, but these are to solve some real life problems in day to day life. I feel like that this complete enterprise mela. So if you see that organic foods and even what we call the studying, I forgot the name, involved from alumnus of IIT, that one, and even some, yeah, some, all are interesting topics.
I remember that one anecdote from there.
Yeah.
So, I don't. There was some education startup, and they had
Yeah,
this stall set up,
yeah,
and so they were putting like some vegetables in the water and showing, showcasing the things that you know, connecting the theoretical knowledge with the practical one.
true, true, true.
Yeah. So it was
There were
So,
many
what's the
robots too.
okay, go on, speak.
Like I was saying, there were robots too, mini robots and all.
Yeah,
If you ask
that's
me.
true. That's true. So, we'll move on to one of this historical place that is Nalanda uh, University, the old Nalanda and a new Nalanda auditorium also we have visited. So, I think, Vasvi, would you like to speak something on this topic? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
hello,
So, would you like to
Ashley.
share?
Hi.
Hi,
Yeah,
how are you?
you joined just now. Okay, no issue.
Hi, Vasvi.
Hi, Srija.
I think this is, she's some person whom I see in the yatra, like what we call this tortoise is there, right? So the philosophy they will take like a tortoise. You should be like a very ideal, but it should be when it comes to action, it should be like so serious and dedicated. She was a person I have seen like she will be silent when we see around when we interact, but when it comes to some competition or activity, like she was so involved and so active.
Yes.
I think it's good to hear from you, Vasve, again. So, would you like to share your experiences, how it was in the Nalanda University?
In Nalanda University, I don't think I have that many memories, but because it was too cool there and all are sleeping in the auditorium, I just remember that fact only.
Auditorium is sleeping.
Yeah,
That I think most of us are sleeping in auditorium. And did you do meditation there? Some many people did some meditations there, right?
yeah. Yeah. In that whole university, yes. It is also very good experience to have that nature and all. So pleasant there, so calm compared to all other places we have visited.
Yeah, I think that is very oldest places which we have visited, and it's still connected with the history of India also.
Yeah.
And that I think the walls and the construction, if you have observed, I think some of us are from civil engineers, they are explaining it's still very good to how the constructions are still as it is. It's not damaged, even though hundreds of years are over. It's like
Yeah.
there are something. Did you come across these discussions in that area? Like there is down. There are some more levels which are uncovered. Any of you have come across this discussion during that visit?
Like,
No.
which was
Like
already destroyed. Stupas.
no, the old Nalanda. We have visited some places, and people say that still the underground there are some more passages. Like still it's.
Mm-hmm.
So did you come
There's
across it?
another level down there.
Yeah.
Ground level is
you-
there is another university or something.
No. I think it's same university. I think not another university. So someone
No,
said
like
like
different classes. Same
yeah.
university, but it's for some another use.
So Pulkit, bro, you want to add something?
Yeah, so I did not get the facts per se. I'm not sure that they were right or not because we were just discussing it in a group. So
And that's okay. It's just our perspectives. We are not comparing with the things. We are just sharing our experiences from
yeah, so what happened that we were just talking that, and then some people knew about it, maybe some local or maybe there were some tourists per se. So they were just telling that there might be some underground, you know, uh, so the part that you can see up there, and then there were some, they were not, discovering it. Maybe I don't know. They were not excavating it out. Yeah.
No,
So
somewhere it's like I saw the opening like an arrow on the top. I don't know, but if that connects to the downstairs, I didn't. I just seen this a couple of places
mhm.
where it's like a hollow area,
So it can be there. I mean, we don't know, but the
maybe.
architecture.
But yeah, you're saying something?
I'm just saying the architecture stays. I mean, it
Yeah,
stayed for years, thousands of years, right?
yeah.
So it's good to see that.
So we are in the history now. After all the Yatra participants are in the history, Nalanda history.
Yeah.
So one more thing, the first time we have visited this ISRO, that Sriharikota in Chittoor. So I think it's our fortunate to get the approval in the short time, and also it's a misfortune that we don't have much time because it's shorter plan. But still we are roaming inside. So how do you feel that experience? That in the bus, I think it's something crazy. You people did some songs and all.
Yeah. Sija Vasi, you would like to go?
I am really very excited when we heard that about ISRO. Why? Because I did not visit that place at all. First of all, as an engineering student, my college also did not take to that place. So I felt very excited for that and little bit of sad by because we did not left. What to
Yeah.
say? Got down the buses.
I think we're short of
If we got
time,
on the
but still it
yeah,
evening.
yeah, it's
Srija, what did you
really
did in the bus? Okay, please continue. Also, you are
Actually,
saying?
first thing I
no, that's
uh
Okay.
okay. The first thing I was excited was to see the beach area.
Oh,
I'm crazy. I'm so crazy about beaches. So I thought, okay, we'll get the chance to see Bay of this one Arabian Sea and all. Then I'm interested in space and stuff, but one advantage was the guy next to me was a space freak. For the whole day, he was telling me about the space thing, but it was really useful. He's Rahul from Punjab. Yeah, we made a really good friendship that day. It was
Yeah.
really useful.
I think, did you do some crazy stuff, Pulkit, in that visiting time in the store? Like, because you don't have time to go out and it's excited because the place is very good. So, any other stuff you did in the bus?
oh, so yeah, we a lot of people were singing songs.
yeah.
I don't know how it all started. Like people, maybe a lot of people they wanted to go out and they were not able to, so they were taking this as another means to
Advantage.
yeah,
True.
yeah.
I think even I tried this language of Maharashtra Marathi, and also I have tried this Rajasthani language, that what we call. She told me some words there, and I don't know the meanings. I just directly applied to some people, and they are like, it's like we discussed. No, they don't judge you, and it's like, God.
Those were really bad words.
So that's
Even
the,
yeah, go on.
no, go ahead.
Yeah, even there in the bus now, some people are drained and some people are active. So it's like disturbing the people who are drained with their own language. So I was in the last seat and for some time, and I came in the first seat in between. It's like in between those, I think our core members are also there. Jagrati Yatra, the green tag, the core members are also there with us. So they didn't stop us when we made this noise, disturbing others in the inside. It's like fully noisy in that ISRO trip in the bus.
Yeah. So I think that was a part of it. I mean, they knew that it happened. That it's gonna happen.
Another thing was our bus had the guide.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm so jealous of you right now.
Like I heard it from many people. Like we didn't have guide, we didn't know what was happening all there. We were just singing songs and everything. I was like, oh my god, this was my science day. Like it was a science school trip day. And Rahul was he was. I didn't even need the guy. Like I don't have to go back and listen to him. The guy next to me is like, वो ये है ये वो जो देख रही है ना वो उस दिन में गया था. He was explaining with the dates also when the rocket was launched and everything. Like I'm lucky.
One side we are having fun, other side we are getting some knowledge also, that ISRO trip. It's very good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it was such a beautiful experience as in learning wise. We were in Sriharikota. I mean, the launch side of a lot of things, a lot of
Yeah.
space missions that have been done from there. So it was amazing experience. Yes, and I was
Like, yeah.
I was envious of the fact that they were living right next to the beach. So when she just said that, when I saw the beach, I was so like, I want to live. I want to live here. I want to have a flat here.
I think that the bird view also is very good, right? During that, what we call the Pulicat Lake, we crossed the Pulicat Lake. No?
That's
It's
also
very-
world famous. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's what we call the hibernation. The birds comes, no? What we call that?
Migratory birds.
Migration birds.
Hibernation.
Hibernation is for bears.
We are hibernating in the bus. Okay. Likit, you are there. I think you can share on this
Yes,
topic.
yes, I am here. Sriharikota, yeah, I was actually at the beginning I was not actually connected to that location because we were not visiting those places in person, right? We were just seeing from the buses, and it's very far from us. That too, because of the bus architecture and all, we could not see how tall is the building at least. Like everything is very very tall there. But I can't even. If we see something, we stick to that at least for 5 to 6 seconds. And by the time I'm observing one thing, bus is crossing more than 4 or 5 buildings. It's also a very huge area, but the only thing that connected me was like there was like in my bus, most of the people are from North India. Only 2 to 3 people are from the Andhra, Tamil Nadu regions, and the bus driver also is a Telugu guy. So he was talking to me, and that's why I'm getting like I got connected to that situation. He used to tell me like what how the people of those region will be, and whether they are allowed to visit this ISRO or something like that. Everything, every detail of that location, not only historic and all, whatever he know from his knowledge, he is explaining everything to me. And these people of North India or something like that, they were beside me and they were asking me like, what are talking to me, like what are you talking to him, can you please translate it to us, like that. it's been a fun there. Like I could not remember exactly what those building names and all, but he has a very good knowledge of those things because he used to take some school children for trips there. That actually helped me a lot.
Uh, getting approval is not an easy task, so that's why like they admire us like you're able to get the opportunity to visit these places. And like you said in the beginning, we lost the interest because we thought of visiting. That thought is there, the predetermined thought is there. But after few minutes or few hours maybe, they made us to know that we may not go out. Then everyone is connected to enjoy the ambience without thinking of getting down. I think that's it sorted out that
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah. So I think
Also in Sri City, it's a very good experience. Like I did not imagine of the Sri City to be a container of such big companies, such big industries and all. I just thought it's like industrial area. Okay, it's like industrial area. So mobile assembling parts will be there, like MI or like Giovanni, something like that. I thought, but it has some industries, including like JCB companies, and they have coffee manufacturing units. Every part of the industry is situated there. Like in South India, there is one industry which is a combination of all the things, and it's located in Sri City. That's it. That's what we can, like, I got to know from that one. That too, they said like only some, not at least 50% of the land is covered by industries, and the rest of the land is open for new industries to come. That's what they said, I think, in the session there. And they received us very well. Like they respected each and every athlete, and that management also is very much friendly to athletes.
by
Sri
the
City
way,
management.
that how was the food in Sri City?
It was awesome. Like whenever I saw the items first, I got like I was telling to all the people that this is the South Indian food. I first actually thought it is kind of Andhra food, Rayalaseema food, but I after taking some food, I got to know that it's not Andhra food. It's Pakka Tamil Nadu food. Like it is, CCT is located in Andhra, but the food contract was to Tamil Nadu people, and it was really superb. Like I used to in as I was in college, which is in Tamil Nadu. I know how the Tamil Nadu food taste will be. It's really good, and the food that they arranged in Sri City is ultimate. Like it's beyond expectations.
Yeah, Srija was laughing. I think she had some experience with the food there. Memories. Your mic is mute, Srija. You can unmute.
No, I was just laughing because everyone was asking me like, "What is this? What's its name?" Because it's Andhra food, right? So everyone was asking me the names and all. So I got just memories hit.
Why particularly?
Laughing.
Because she is a food tech girl, right? They ask everybody asks her.
Did you? Yeah,
Hello, Murgesh, we lost you.
Hello, 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 Momo.
can you hear me now? Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a good name, huh? Momo.
Oh, yeah. By the way, I should say this thing that Momo name is coined by our Yatri friends only. It's the first time. I didn't have that name before, but I'm using it now.
Call his name
Sorry.
always. Murgesh. It's a lengthy name. So Momo, shortcut.
Ah,
Other than Momo, I think we used to call Murgesh by some other name, right?
MG.
MG. Sorry, MG shortcut.
Something. Yeah. Is that name I got from Japanese friends because they can't call my full name. Then I shared that one. But Momo, this guy, some Coimbatore friend, I think, he calls. People started calling me that name.
you know, I'll change your name now. I'll change your name in my contact list. I'll
You can change. Actually, the interaction, what we call we had that virtual connect last month. So one of the industry, they also introduced this name like a nickname like this. So future it will be connected in the places.
Mhm.
So any other memories, anything you wanted to share which you can't forget in the trip? You can share now. Anyone?
I want to share some advice to the new participants that they should they should come to Jatra with very thick clothes, because it will be very uh, drastic change in temperature when we go from south to north, and not all people will be able to resist that change in fluctuations in climate. That's an advice
Especially for
from me.
South Indians, maybe.
Yes, especially South Indians.
Yeah.
North Indians may fall sick because of entering South region, and I am not sure if someone has faced such a difficulty in South India.
That they
They got
sold out
sick
that
only after
blankets.
entering North India again.
They sold the blankets right when we. Uh,
Hmm.
Yeah, that was an advantage actually.
And in the starting only, that they told us very specifically that
Thick blanket,
yes,
Yeah.
take blankets, it will get cold. Make sure that you have all the winter clothes and
shoes
everything.
and socks.
I don't
They
know.
mentioned.
Yeah, I don't remember. I think that was in Devriya or somewhere. Uh, I, some of the people, they were like in t-shirts, and I was in two layers. I was in two layers, and I was like, do. It was super cold. And I think that was, I don't remember the name. So we were talking, and he was like, "It's cool, man. This is chill. This is a perfect weather. We don't feel this cold and anything." And next day he was sick. And I was like, "Why did you do this to yourself?" Yeah. So
I
whoever.
was one of them.
Oh.
I also wear only single layer.
So yeah, whoever wants to join, so they need to be very sure about it that they are carrying a lot of, not a lot of clothes, but some particular amount of winter clothes as well. So that is recommended because temperature changes are there.
any other advice from you, Vasavi, for the aspiring people if they wanted to participate?
I don't think so. All the suggestions you all gave, no? I don't remember actually. Just now.
If there is some other people like tortoise or sphinx, I couldn't, it may be right or wrong, that comparison, there is a good philosophy. Why I'm saying this one, in the theosophical studies, I think. So, if somebody like you again comes, you can suggest to them how to be prepared.
I remember Vasvi because she was my group member. So I remember all the time that we all used to talk, and she used to, just sit there, listen, observe, so silent, and it was like, "Oh, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. I know what you're
Uh,
talking about."
You're all speaking, yeah, you'll be speaking in Hindi. No, I don't know Hindi, but I can understand Hindi. So I'll be just looking and observing you people.
No, that was just for some time because when, there was like two or three people we were discussing in Hindi and then other people come and then we were like, okay, back to English, back to English, back to English.
I don't-
Yeah, basically, no, that is a trait. We can refer it as a trait to people. It's philosophical also. When you can open this topic of Egyptian sphinx and all, there is a context of this thing. It should be as ideal as that one, and it should be as empowered as when you are in action. So that thing I recall when I see her in the first the orientation, the what we call that where we get the tags in Mumbai.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
what is the institute? The Tata Institute, right?
Tata Institute of Social Sciences.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So there when I see the first time, I was just recalling that is continued after the days also. It's good to see some real experiences.
That was a very crazy day. The first day was the craziest of all. I think everybody will agree here that we talked to almost, so there were almost 400 people, and we would have talked to almost 200 people that day, and exactly the same question. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? Oh my God. So at the end of the day, everybody was sitting like this. There's like jaws are hurting, and I can't talk to anybody anymore. So
Actually,
yeah.
I think that day, me and some of friends, I don't know who else did like this. Like I didn't. I spoke to some of the people from Andhra who are connected before coming. Then I was like, I went to some new friend. I was listening to some two, three people, not more. Some two, three stories. I just slowly sitting with them and talking to them. But this is true. What you said. Everyone is coming in between and asking, "Are you from my group? Are you from my cohort?" So our cohort, we told like, okay, don't worry, we'll see in the train. So we didn't find our cohort, but our cohort we met in the train on the track when we entered in the first time. That 8 members. No one knows that 8 members you've been sitting in one place. That information no one knows. So everyone is in hurry to find out those fellow members.
Yeah.
It was a midnight experience around 2 o'clock, right? 2:30.
Yeah.
I
Okay, I
think
think.
one thing is crazy in Telugu actors especially. Wherever we go, all the Telugu members will be crowded at one area and taking pictures other than any other state actor.
I think the Maharashtra and Telugu, the states are bigger, so the crowd is also more from these states.
Yeah.
And
Like even
this
from
time,
Maharashtra, mostly Nasik, Mumbai, Pune, these three districts I have seen many people from.
yeah, true, true, true.
Okay, so I'd like to add a bit. Uh, I mean, so there was this observation that I did that when the districts which were connected, as in they have a good awareness of the education system and everything, what's going around, so they
Your
knew a
voice
lot.
is a little bit low, Pulkit, and also, yeah,
Okay, just a second, just a second. I'll change the orientation.
it's a little bit low. You couldn't we hear very low voice.
Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, yeah, go on.
Okay. So I think that's an observation that I made. So a lot of people were from Maharashtra and Andhra and Karnataka, because so I think they're more kind of aware that what's happening and how they come to know about Jagriti Yatra. Because even I got
No, I don't agree this one because I don't know the good information about Yatra. I searched in all the platforms. Now we are trying to give some information like this, but I didn't find proper information. Even Srija was asking me many times. I hardly know.
no. Okay, so not like that. What I mean to say is this: the
Yeah.
participation percentage. If we talk about percentage, so Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra. So those states had the participants from those states were in greater number. That's what I observed. I don't know if I'm right or wrong.
In
Please
the
correct.
background information, I mean to say, Maharashtra people they are aware of Jagriti Yatra, but Andhra it's not too much spreaded properly. If
Okay.
spreaded, maybe there may be even more diverse people are coming into where we are trying to
Maybe
showcase experiences.
it's because of connections with the universities. Like there were people who came from the same university, like 8 or 9 members came from the same university. I was
Yeah,
like shocked. Ah, kya
Vignan
ye?
University.
We've
Ah,
done some other collaboration. They are sponsored, I think. They are
Yeah.
a
yeah.
partnership with the Yatra or something like that.
So it's a
I think
good initiative. Momo, it's a good initiative.
it's like some sort of a craze, like see, national trip and some nominal region, and they got selected because of their skill alone. So it's like encouraging your skill. You're having skill, you'll be selected like this kind of event. So it's a very good comparison. They publicize in that way, and of course we made fun on the topic. That is a different story.
Okay, I have a story behind this. Let me tell you that.
Yeah,
I
please.
got to know about Jagriti Yatra through newspaper. So what I did, I told them I have seen this article from your newspaper. I got selected. Just I told this thing, and they were like they interviewed me and they they kept those articles. They published something and all. I don't know that,
Wow.
but these everyone like made a
Good,
lely
good.
bus. Like for 15 days, yeah, she's coming. The celebrity is coming.
Some of the days, some of the applications. I think the major content what we thought of showcasing is done. If you wanted to share anything, is done. We can share. Otherwise, we are good to close this talk.
One last thing. One last thing
Yeah,
I
go
want
on.
to add.
Yeah.
So, the New Year celebration that we did, that was the craziest thing. And I think a lot of people will again connect here that dancing on a railway station,
That's
platform with a DJ. It's not just you're alone dancing with a DJ, 450 people are dancing with you. And that is the craziest
That's
experience.
yeah.
crazy.
And how I mean, how energetically we were trying, we were welcoming 2020, 2020, and this is how we are right now.
By seeing those videos also again.
The energy levels were so high because we already danced 4 hours continuously
At
there.
the
Yeah,
school.
Then
that's
again
good.
in
No,
train.
before that the
Then
celebration.
again,
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have already
that
done that.
that too. Yeah. At around 10, we completed New Year. Then again in train, we were dancing.
Correct.
I saw Vasavi dance for the first time there itself in the train after that New Year celebration.
Oh,
She
That's
was
I
telling
mean,
like I was
yeah,
crossing chair
parties.
cars. I was crossing chair
Okay.
car. She told there is no way in that chair car. We have to dance here itself, and she started dancing.
Oh, I miss this thing.
I don't think so. It is
I
first time.
have
I
a
also made
I
dance
have
on
the
school
video.
days also. Likit,
When I
I
asked her
don't
that
think.
question, like you are dancing, she told me like I used to dance in the school days. The same thing she told me that day.
Don't you remember me dancing on school days?
I don't exactly remember. I think no, I don't
Okay, you
remember
both
you
are
dancing.
school friends.
Yeah.
Yes, we are schoolmates.
Question.
From
wow.
Oh,
same school.
Not in the bachelors, right?
What?
Not in the
no, not in
bachelors.
bachelors. No.
No.
They are school
Vasvi's
friends.
brother also is my classmate only.
Yeah. Me and my brother are in the same class.
You
Huh?
only
I
Oh,
told me
think
something
even
about
I
Jagriti
danced in
Yatra.
Rajasthan, right? Sorry? Yeah, go on.
And that too, he is also from Vignan University.
Oh,
Yeah.
No, in that Vignan University, being selected for Yatra is really good craze. Like the people who got selected for Yatra are celebrities in that university. That's what he said that day. The
Even that.
people, the students
Yeah.
of our university, uh, they see them as celebrities. Right from the selection and right from returned the Yatra, he got lots of craze in the Yatra. Many other students they came like he told me something about they used to ask him some experiences and they
just
used to ask
one
him
second, one
advices of
second.
getting
I think
selected.
1 second. So, but one more thing. How many of you remember that welcoming in Rajasthan with that local ladies dance? I mean that old that culture. Even I, in the entire yatra, I danced there only. I think I have gone
Yeah.
there with the camera set up.
That was third or second dance. I don't remember. First day was in New Year party. Second in Rajasthan.
New Year,
Pulkit,
I
you remember that one?
yeah, I do.
On the last day, we did Porky Baba or something.
Oh, Porkia. Oh, God,
Porky.
God, oh God, oh God. Oh,
That
I,
was third day, I think we danced.
yes. So we formed a cult. So
That was
every,
also a mini startup.
yeah. So
okay,
that
Baba.
uh, So there was, I don't know, some miniature pigs, and yeah. So
McDonald picks, I think.
so let's not call it a cult. It was not a cult. It was a startup. And everybody I mean everybody who was crossing from that from the aisle, they had to join it. There's no other way. We won't let you cross. That's one. And there were some stickers, so everybody was applying stickers on their head. you, so if you're a member, you have to apply the sticker, and if you want to cross, you have to be the member, and you have to dance.
Chair car dance, right? It is in the chair car.
Sirka, yeah. So it was, I'm sorry to put it again, but it was a cult dance. So we were like doing all the jingalala and
Tribal thing.
yeah, yes. And the Lord, our
I was
Lord,
watching this. I didn't join this. I was watching it from a corner. Then suddenly a Coimbatore guy, he was like, "वो तुझे अच्छा सूट हो जाएगा, तू चले जा उस group में." Like he knows my energy and all. So you have to join that. Then I came and joined. I was like, we added so many members then.
oh yeah. And the cult
Really
was,
good.
yeah, it was like porkia. So it was some pork, and we added, I don't know how it came. But it was
How it came.
porkia. That was,
Okay.
yeah.
I think it's
Is
now.
that startup that I missed the last day because I was sick. But
Okay.
people told me that it was Srija who invented that name, Porkyard and
No.
Porkyard and
I
something.
joined. I told
Like
I told everyone about this. Separately,
okay.
I made them sit and told them,
When
explain
I
about
woke up in
this
the
thing.
morning, people said we were dancing like meaningless dances and all. I just said, I just described, I missed everything, every fun last day, like that I said. And my compartment mate Srinath told me, "Arey, anta enjoyment em undadra akkada." Like he was convincing me that there wasn't such an enjoyment that I missed that day. We just were
That's
dancing
what
meaningless
people
dances.
say when they miss them.
Yes, yes.
It was crazy beautiful experience.
Craziest.
Yes. So we were dancing
I
like
think we need to start it. Like
I think there is a
we
question
should
I
take
didn't
it as
ask people. Yeah, now I think this is the right time to ask everyone. Please answer all of you one by one. This question is: if you given with an opportunity as ERC member, that is I don't know expansion, would you like to come back again? If yes, how do you want to contribute? So please, everyone, one by one. Who will start now?
who's the first.
Vasvi. She needs to speak us.
No. Let me think first. I not think about it at all.
The paper is not linked to the question paper. Sorry. So, Pulkit, you want to add something like?
Oh yes. Oh, big yes. I
Yeah.
would. And if I could, I'll join every year.
Every year. That's very good. I think
Definitely.
motivating.
Yeah. So as an ERC member, so ERC is Engine Room Club. Engine Room Club. So they are the coordinators. They are managing all the things with the people and everything. So there are different sectors that they're taking care of. So I would love to join ERC. Maybe so. One, I I think the first one I would join is obviously the media team. That's where I'm a bit inclined as an ERC. Second would be the timing one. I don't know what's the name of the team that they were taking care of the timings and when the train will reach.
That
And,
is warriors.
Red
What
cap
is that?
one.
huh?
No, red one. Red caps.
Red cap. I
No,
don't
no.
Disha,
know.
Disha.
Red cap Disha.
So, so that,
Disha does not take care about that train timings and all, I think.
yeah. So that was just particular ERCs.
Okay.
They were taking care of the
True.
thing.
Yeah, true. That people know they hardly come into front side. They hardly interact with the please. They are always busy with these
Yeah,
timings and coordinating the stations.
correct. So they were not interacting with the Yatris a lot. It was just yeah. So just once I want to experience that also, that how the whole railway process is,
That is
going on.
fully professional actually. It's like I met them in after 5 days. Some of those people. They
Uh-huh.
shared like it's like a really a challenging task, and it's interesting also to learn in that scenario.
So once I'll try to go there, and then I'll try and put my leg in every field that I can. But I want to go. I want to go every year as an ERC. Yes.
I think once you are a participant, you are allowed to come like a specific distant destination, not required for entire trip. You can come to Mumbai to Chennai or Chennai to Delhi, whatever you want. That flexibility they are giving, I think, these core members.
Yeah, yeah.
But ERCs are there for complete trip, right?
Yeah, the base ERC they will select based on these priorities. They will accommodate you also in the list.
Mhm.
So they will have the base list and also they will have additional support team.
Yeah, correct. Rija, Vasvi, Likhit, you want to go ahead now?
I was a part of Disha team, so I liked all the ERCs over there. Not only Disha team, I liked Ravi. He was a he used to be a financial advisor, and he got connected to me without any without any
So you were talking,
intermediate.
I got the title.
Sorry,
Yeah, go on, go on.
without any intermediate person or something like that. We went in Orissa. I think he got connected to me. Like some people are really very much supportive. Like we don't get afraid of talking to some people, right? He used to be such a guy. And also in my team, Disha team, Parth is one guy. He used to be very much friendly with all the people. Not only like I cannot count on my fingers. Almost all the ERCs are helpful. If there is a chance, I will be to I will be contributing to Disha team first.
Nice. So others, Vasavi and Srija.
Well, I'm a Swachh Bharat freak, so I'll be a waste warrior. I'll go do it.
Sorry? Huh?
West warrior it seems.
Oh,
I'll take
that's
it to
right. Okay,
another
nice,
level
nice.
as an ERC.
Even I am also interested in the Waste Warrior team only. And I remember one thing when being travel in the train by 15 days, when we travel again in the train also, if someone throw their plastic bottles, I used to think why this no one is taking care of that. Let me go and throw that in the dustbin. I used to think like that.
That is spirit, yeah.
Also, there should be another group for like arts and culture, something. And there was no team for that.
Oh, you got this background right. You found this area nicely. You can suggest to the core members. They may consider encouraging arts and this
Mm-hmm.
what we call
You can
create
even
a
be the
vertical
first
for that.
ERC of that domain, Srija.
Yeah, probably. That
Yeah.
is, we can propose some new vertical. That's a good contribution for the Yatra after your experiencing.
Yeah.
And also I remember
It's
a
a
thing
good
at
thing.
Aravind Eye Care Hospital.
Arvind, I can, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let me tell you one
Go,
thing.
go on.
We had taken lunch there, and all the people are eating by sitting on the floor. And after the lunch is completed, I saw the total hall. It is totally clean, just like someone cleaned it just now. Just now they had taken their lunch, and no one has thrown. Everyone is responsible for their things, and no one is irresponsible. And that is the first thing I liked in total Yatris.
Yeah.
Like-minded people. I really liked it a lot. That thing.
I loved the selection process actually.
That
Everyone
diversity
was
is very
equally
nice.
responsible.
Yeah.
I didn't find anyone like violating something or doing some bad stuff or anything. It's good. As far as I have seen, I don't know about the things behind.
Yeah. There- this is something I think people need to know that there's a selection process. It's uh, it's not just that you pay money and you can do the yatra. It's not like that. It's definitely not
Yeah.
like that. You have to apply for it. There are like I don't know 10,000 or 10,000 applications are there, and only 400 or 500 people are selected, and there's a complete process for it. So yeah, and that's, as Srija mentioned, it's a very good process that all responsible and conscious people are selected.
Okay, I want to add a question on this one. So I don't know. I really wonder like how they are ensuring the people who are cautious the selection. So it's only the text they're taking. They're not taking voiceover or they're not taking anything. But the one thing in the application they mentioned, it's not about English or something. You write yourself whatever is there. That they want to know the things. But that is good. That is one scope. Then with that one, how they are able to get this kind of good people on the platform? So any insights on this?
Okay, so I'll add a bit of some theoretical here. So there's the people behavior, that how people are behaving, and then how people are writing, right? So if I write something to you, say an email or anything, so there's a different tone, and it's not that you need to be a professional to understand it. If I'm writing you a mail, you can see that it's a professional mail. Is it an informal mail, or is it simply a friendly text, right? So there's a difference when you're writing something. So when you write original text, this is just a personal opinion. I don't know how.
Probably we are just doing our perspective to
Yeah.
say that the people they need not to worry about the how to represent yourself. So you represent yourself as it is. They will consider in the application. That's what we thought of showcasing.
Yes. Be original. Be original. You don't have to pretend something that you're not.
Pretend some, build up stories for something. There's no need.
True. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Thanks a
Momo.
lot, Lekit and Srija, Vasavi, Pulkit, all together.
Video.